Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize small business law with SCOR, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by introducing SCOR as a valuable resource for small businesses. Explain that SCOR is a non-profit organization offering mentoring and education. Highlight the importance of understanding small business law for compliance and success. Encourage the audience to identify their specific legal needs. Suggest researching common legal areas relevant to small businesses such as contracts, employment law, and intellectual property. Guide viewers to visit the SCOR website for resources and tools. Mention that SCOR offers free or low-cost mentoring sessions. Explain how to find a local SCOR chapter through the website. Encourage setting up an initial meeting with a SCOR mentor. During the meeting, suggest discussing the business's legal structure options, such as LLCs or partnerships. Stress the importance of drafting strong contracts with customers and suppliers. Remind viewers to stay updated on employment laws relevant to their business. Advise on protecting intellectual property through trademarks or copyrights. Encourage maintaining detailed records of all business transactions for legal protection. Discuss the importance of being aware of local, state, and federal regulations. Suggest establishing a legal compliance checklist tailored to the business. Remind viewers to periodically review and update their legal strategies as the business grows. Conclude by emphasizing that utilizing SCOR can lead to better legal knowledge and practices. Encourage the audience to take action by reaching out to SCOR today for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.